China is taking a bold step into the future of construction with the development of the Yangqu Dam, a massive hydropower project rising on the Tibetan Plateau. What makes this project stand out is not just its scale, but how it is being built. Instead of relying heavily on traditional human labor, the dam is being constructed using artificial intelligence, autonomous robots, and advanced three-dimensional printing techniques. Standing at about 180 meters, or roughly 590 feet tall, the Yangqu Dam is being assembled in a highly controlled and precise way. The construction process follows a layer-by-layer approach, similar to how a three-dimensional printer creates objects. AI systems coordinate the entire operation, directing robotic machinery to transport, place, and compact materials with a level of consistency that is difficult to achieve manually. This method reduces human error and allows construction to continue around the clock, with minimal interruptions. In this setup, machines take on roles that would traditionally require large teams of workers. Automated trucks deliver materials, robotic rollers compact layers, and intelligent systems monitor quality in real time. The result is a streamlined process that improves efficiency while maintaining strict safety and engineering standards. Once completed, the Yangqu Dam is expected to generate approximately 5 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity each year. This output will support China's push toward cleaner energy by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and expanding its renewable power capacity. Hydropower already plays a significant role in the country's energy mix, and projects like this are designed to strengthen that position. Beyond its immediate purpose, the Yangqu Dam represents a broader shift in how large infrastructure projects are designed and built. The integration of AI, robotics, and automated construction techniques signals a move towards smarter, faster, and potentially more cost-effective development. It also raises important questions about the future of labor in construction and how industries will adapt as machines take on more complex tasks. Overall, the project is not just about building a dam. It is a demonstration of how emerging technologies are reshaping the construction industry, offering a glimpse into a future where major structures are created with minimal human intervention and maximum technological precision.